Good morning students and welcome to one another video regarding revenue कि अब तक हमने पढ़ा था what was cost and what was law of variable proportion, average product क्या होता है, marginal product क्या होता है, total product क्या होता है, all such things we have studied till now in the producer's equilibrium. Now in this video we are going to discuss about revenue कि भाई ये रेवेन्यू क्या होता है और वाई रेवेन्यू इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू डिटरमाइन द प्रोड्यूसर्स इक्विलिब्रियम. सो प्लीज लेट अस स्टार्ट विद दिस टॉपिक with the meaning of revenue. What do you mean by revenue? Okay, first of all, revenue. What is revenue? Revenue means when we are producing something. See, producer, what is the work of a producer? The producer is producing the goods and services. The goods and services are being produced by the producer here. Why? Just they wanted to earn profit, and that is the reason why they are earning. They are producing the goods and services. They are doing the business. The main motive is to earn more and more profit. Now, okay. Now, in order to earn this profit, they have to do some expenditure on the production. And the expenditure which is being done on the production is known as cost, that we have already discussed. कि cost क्या होती है, what is an expenditure, what is short run, what is long run. About the expenditure we have already started. If any producer is incurring so much expenditure on various factors of production, the main motive behind is he wants to have some receipts. He wants to have some revenue. So that is the reason why the producer is producing the goods and services here. What now? The meaning of revenue comes. What is revenue now? Revenue refers to the money receipts. What is it? It is a monetary receipt. It is a money receipt from the sale of output. Whatever product he has made, whatever production he has made by incurring some of the expenditure, that output he is selling, and after selling that output into the market, he is getting some revenue, he is getting some receipts. The receipts which he is getting, that is known as revenue. After the selling of the output which he has produced, the receipts or the sales receipts, whatever he has sold, after selling he is getting some receipts, and that is called revenue. I hope it is being very clear to you. See, here also revenue has been categorized into three parts, classified into three types. First type of revenue is the total revenue. What is this total revenue? It was same concept like we have started earlier. The total amount of output which is being produced by the producer. The total amount of output which is produced by the producer, all that output is being sold. वो सारा इसने मार्केट में जाकर सेल आउट कर दिया. किसने? प्रोड्यूसर ने. When the total output is sold into the market, और उससे जो रिसीव, जो टोटल रेवेन्यू रिसीव्ड हुआ आफ्टर सेलिंग द टोटल आउटपुट, that is known as total revenue. The total receipts which a producer received after selling the total output which he has produced, that is known as the total revenue. I hope it has been very clear. Now to calculate the revenue, total revenue, PR is equals to P into Q, यानी कि total quantity which he has produced. When this total quantity is being multiplied by price, then we will be calling it as total revenue. I hope it has been very clear to all of you. Now, second thing is marginal revenue. What is the marginal revenue here? See, same like the marginal cost or marginal product, yeah, whatever. See, now what happened, with an example I am explaining you in this concept, that if a producer is selling 100 units at the price of 10. Okay, now he decided to the second the additional, he wanted to sell the additional output. Now he decided that 50 more units I will be selling now at the same price. So now what happened? Now he is selling 150 output at 10 rupees. Now the additional unit, the additional output, what is which we have got by employing additional, by selling the additional unit of the output, then that additional revenue which is received, that is from 50 rupees, the additional revenue which we have received, that is known as marginal revenue. The additional revenue which is being received by selling the additional amount of output, then it is known as marginal revenue. And the same concept is there, like it was in the cost, like was in the product, that additional amount of money receipts which a producer is getting after selling the additional amount of output. I hope it has been clear. So to finding out the MR, the formula is MR is equals to change in TR upon change in Q. That means when we are subtracting the lower value with the upper value, obviously we will be getting this marginal revenue. All these things we are going to study in the tabular representation also, and there you will be able to understand it more clearly कि क्या concept होता क्या है. Now the third one is the average revenue. What do you mean by the average revenue or AR? ठीक है, what is it? Per unit output sell, per unit जो हम sell कर रहे हैं उससे जो per unit पे हमें received हो रही है, मनी रिसीप्ट हो रही है सेलिंग करने पे, उसको एवरेज रेवेन्यू हम बोलेंगे. TR when divided by output, quantity of that output is known as AR. When we are dividing TR upon Q, then we are getting AR. I hope it has been very clear to us. So this was the three types of revenue which we have started here. Now we are going to think about one question that, or one derivation is there. We are saying in further when we are going to study up this chapter or producer equilibrium, we will be finding this concept that AR is the same thing as price, and average revenue will be equals to the price of that output. So how it is possible? We are going to prove that AR is equals to price. हमें ये प्रूफ करना है कि AR जो है वो प्राइस के बराबर कैसे होता है. How AR is equals to price, that we are going to discuss. Now AR is equals to TR upon quantity. We have already seen that कि formula of AR ये है, ठीक है. This is the first thing. Now TR is equals to P into Q. We have already said here into the formula. I hope it has been clear. Now when we are substituting the values, हम TR यहाँ पर हटाकर P into Q भी लगा सकते हैं, क्योंकि TR is equals to P into Q. ये हमने already देख रखा है. जब हम लोग substitute करेंगे AR is equals to P into Q upon Q, और quantity को हटा देंगे सब, यानी इसको यहाँ से इसको हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तब हटा देते हैं, तब क्या बन जाता है? AR is equals to price. So here the average revenue will be price, hence rule. So कभी अगर आगे मोनोपोली वगैरह में या in the perfect competition we will be studying that कि AR will be equals to price. How is it possible? Now it is possible that AR will be equals to price here. I hope you have understood this thing. Now in the next video we are going to discuss about the tabular representation of these three types of revenue and the diagrammatic representation of the three types of revenue which we have started theoretically today in this video. I hope it has been very clear to all of you. Please go through this video very thoroughly so that you can understand the concept. After that we are going to discuss about the producer equilibrium by TR-PC approach and MR and MC approach. So please, it's my go through this video and then start up with it. The producer, it will be. Thank you.